So what is the meaning of drawing two cards successively from a well suffered ordinary deck? It means that if there is initially 51 card, 52 card, and if we draw one card, it will be left with 51, and we will draw some card out of 51. This is the meaning of successively drawing without replacement. Now we are asked that it is noted that the second card is king. It is noted that second card is king. Find the probability that first card is also a king. So this is also a king. It is saying that. So we have probability of, we will write it as 2. This is 51. Probability of getting first card as a king given the second card is king is equals to, this is base theorem. It is probability of drawing first card as a king into probability of drawing second card as king given first card was king. And we have similar pk1, pk2 given pk1, and we have pk2 is king given first card was not king dot pk1 not. Given first card was king if it is not king. So probability of card, first card having king, first card having king is 4 upon 52. Probability of k2 given first card is king is 3 by 51. We will be left with only 51 cards and we will have 3 kings. So this is pk2 given pk1, pk2 given k1. So we know pk1, pk2 given p1. So pk1 note will be what? It is 1 by 13. It will be 12 by 13. And pk2 given first card was not king. So we will be drawing from 51 minus first card was not king. So we are left with 51 card and the second card is king. It will be 4 by 51 because we have all the king available. So we will write it 1 by 13 into 3 by 51 upon 1 by 13 into 3 by 51 plus 12 by 13 dot 4 by 51. If we solve this, it is 3 upon 3 plus 16, 3 by 19. This is the answer.